Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Notes section within the Opportunities application in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Opportunities app, he or she can click on the required opportunity from the Opportunities landing page. The details view of the selected opportunity is displayed. The user can navigate to the Notes section by clicking on the Notes tab. The user can view the existing notes once the Notes tab is clicked. A new note can be created by clicking on the Add Note button. Various formatting can be applied to the text in the note. The note can be associated with any existing account, contact or lead by clicking on the Associations button. By selecting the required items, the notes will be landed and displayed within the selected items as well. Once all the details are filled, the user can click the Submit button and the note is created. An existing note can be edited by clicking the note to be edited. The note can be deleted by clicking the Delete button. That is how notes work within the Opportunities app. Thanks for watching.